How to view or download Tracker Battery Charge Report in FMS. Begin by logging into the Fleet Management System, FMS, for seamless access. Go to the Reports section to access the Tracker Battery Charge Report. Select the Tracker Battery Charge Report from the available options. Choose a date range to narrow down the data you want to view. Upon accessing the page, a list of trackers will be displayed, including their respective names and data. Click on a specific tracker to view the detailed data. The displayed data corresponds to the selected tracker. To view detailed data for a particular date, click on that date. Within the displayed data, you can observe information presented at different time intervals for the specific date. At each step, you can download the report in PDF, Excel, or CSV format by clicking the Download button.